Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Sunday. Yes, Sunday we have here the additional of the weekend edition, Saturday, Sunday, April the 6th, April the 7th, 2024. We have here in this additional 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, aka jigsaw Sudokus. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, suguru. One with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve. Why not all? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Alright, the first one, the 3 star Sudoku number 8319. And before I start, I always kind of print the digits. This one has a lot. Cannot be a 3 stars. Yeah, this one has 30 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25 printed digits. This one has 5 digits more. So I don't think it's a 3 stars, maybe a 0 stars. Or 1 star. For 0 stars I need to be faster than 14, maybe 30 minutes. For 1 star, faster than 50 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, so I need for 3 stars 20 to 30 minutes. Is this a 3 stars? Is this a 1 star? Or is this a 0 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, 2 in the wall above. The only place level 2 should be down. Then let me see. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then let me see. 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 4 in the second column, no 4 in that box. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, and only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place level 1 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between the the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 6, need a 6 here, need a 8 here, need a 5 here. Well, then let me see. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row, no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, only place level 9 should be there. 1 box left in this middle column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 1 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6, 5 and the 6. Alright. 4 and the 6. Okay. Then let me think. Let me think. 8, 8, 8, 8. Need 8 here. Need a 2 here. And I need, come on, 3, 7, 9, 1. No, 6, 6, 6, okay. Need a 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between only 3 places left, and 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in this, 7 in the column next, no 7 there. Only place left is 7 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 7, 1. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 this one, no 9 there, 9 should be there, 9, 9. Come on, come on, come on. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between only place left of 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the first column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. No 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 6 in this row. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row below the only place left for the 6. Should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. Alright. Need a 4 here. Need a 1 here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Need a 7 here. 1, 7. I need a 8 here. Oh, okay. Alright. 1, 1. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers in this row is number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this row. Should be there. 5 and a 6, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2, 2. Need an 8 here. 1 and the 4. 1 and the 4. 1, 4 and the 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, okay. 2, 4, 8. 2, 4, 8. Well, come on. 1 and the 8. I'm thinking. I need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Need a 6 there. Okay. Well. Need a 5 here also. 5 and a 6. Yeah. Need a 9 here. And yep. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers in the third row are the numbers 8 and 9. We have 8 and 9 in this big square, so no 8 and 9 in these 3 boxes. 8 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. So what are the other 3 missing numbers in the third row? For numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 5 and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. And look, we have 3 and a 6 in this column. No 3 and a 6 in this box. 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So 1 is left in the third row for number 4. 1 box left in this column for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So we have 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, 3 in that column. So the column between the only place level the 3 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column. So the column between only place level 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those. Here also 2 missing numbers in this big square for the number. Made a mistake. 4, 4, 4. How can I play? Oh, we have a double 3 here. Yeah, double 3 here. 4, so this cannot be a 3 here. 8 and 9, 8 and 9, so 3, 4, and a 6. Yeah, 3, 4, and a 6. This can be a 3. This should be a 1 here. This should be a 1. Yeah. 1, need a 2, 3, 4, need a 5. 2 and a 5. Then it's correct. Here, I need to place a 1 here. 1, 1, 1, here, 1. Okay. Then, let me see. 1 and 8. 1, 8, and I need a 7 here. I need a 7 there also. We have a 7 here. Can be 7. 5, 5, need a 5 there, 5 in this row, 5 in the row below, so last row, only 2 places left, and 5 should be here one day. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here, 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left, the 5 should be there. 2 and 5, we have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so the row between, second row, the only place left, 2 should be there, and I've eliminated there the 9, so the 9 goes there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 1 or an 8, we have an 8 in the first column, so this box should be a 1, that box should be an 8. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be an 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 7. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square, the numbers 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, the only 2 places left, and the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9, last row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Here also 2 numbers left for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 and a 3. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place level 3 should be there. 3 in the 4, we have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 4 goes there. 4 in this last row, 4 in the row above, so that row, the only place level 4 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the first, in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 2 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for the same numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the first column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, told you. 0 stars puzzle. And we solve it again. We solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.